Hello friends, welcome to my series of Zero Waste Homes. I am Dr. Sarita Anand and the concept is to tell you about various methods of sorting out our waste from our own homes and how to use it responsibly. We have, all of us generate large amounts of waste in our homes, and this waste in our routine homes comes in the form of newspapers, plastic bottles, polythene of various types, and other plastic material. So, in an effort to dispose of this waste responsibly, today I will be teaching you about the concept of eco bricks. When we throw our plastic bags, our polythenes into the garbage, they just pile up into the garbage and they remain there for hundreds of years and they do not decompose very easily. Even when they do decompose, they emit toxic gases and pollute the environment. So the sight of these polythenes in the garbage dumps and the toxic gases that they emit make our towns, our cities very ugly and dirty. So, since we all want to live in beautiful cities and towns, it is our responsibility to dispose of all this plastic waste responsibly. One such method of disposing of this waste is by making eco bricks in our own homes. Now, what are eco bricks? Eco bricks are very simple. We all have these PET bottles at home. So, all we need to do is to open this bottle. I have kept a rod for this, and all I need to do is insert these polythenes into this bottle. Now I am using all the polythene that is generated. It may be the wrapper of a snack, it may be a polythene which comes with the milk, it may be a polythene which comes with our pulses. If you look around, you will find many sources of this polythene entering your homes. Now if we continue, we have to pack this very tightly. See? Now as you see, if we keep packing these bottles tightly, the end result is something like this. This is a bottle which I have packed earlier to show you, and it has been packed tightly with all sorts of polythene, waste polythene. Now once you have packed this, you will be wondering what to do with it. There are various means by which you can use these bottles. For example, I have painted some of these bottles to be used in my garden, and all various sizes and shapes. Now as they keep coming, I keep collecting bottles of a single size. Once they are ready, they can be used to make very nice hedges for your garden. For example, placed like this. You can place them all along your boundary and you can make a very nice and attractive hedge. They can be used to make these same boundaries on all the trees along our roadsides, in our parks, anywhere, wherever you have some greenery, you can use this to make it more attractive. Another very good use for this is when they are produced in bulk, they can be used to make boundary walls. Now you will be wondering how. Now if you have many of these bricks, they can be placed one on top of the other and they can be cemented together to make boundary walls, or they can be used to make slabs for benches where children play, and many other means where all you need to have a cemented slab. Instead of using a heavy routine brick, you can use these eco bricks. They will be out of sight, they will not pollute the environment, and you will find that your own city becomes nice and beautiful and everybody appreciates the look that has changed. I hope everybody has liked this video. If you like my video, please like and share it as far as possible, so that many more people can produce many more eco bricks and help to make our nation a very, very clean nation. Thank you.